Welcome everyone. In this video lecture, we will solve a GET 2021 question, which is basically based on the drain current equation. But here we have to find the threshold voltage. So the given item in this question is get to source voltage. Okay. Then after mu n cox given and aspect ratio WL. So we have to find the threshold voltage. So we have to find the threshold voltage Vt. So in the question, it is also given the transistor is working in the saturation region. It is given. I have not written, but saturation region. The device is working in the saturation region. Okay. So in such question, we have to first write the drain current equation in the saturation region. So I am writing the saturation drain current equation mu n cox W by L by 2 VGS minus VT whole square. So this one is the first equation we can say. From here we can find the value of VT. But now there are two unknowns are there because in our question ID is not given. Okay, and also VT is not, we have to find. So there are two unknowns. So there will be other equation. So for the saturation one, I am just drawing the characteristic curve for this ID in milliampere and say VDS in volt. So for the saturation region, the condition will be this value should be VGS minus VT. So condition for saturation, VDS should be greater than equals to VGS minus VT. So from here at the edge, in the question it is given at the edge of the at the start in saturation. So we can write the other equation as a VDS equals to VGS minus VT. Okay, so for saturation at equal point, equal we are taking for the simplification purpose. So this one is the second equation, but here again think this VT is unknown and other term VDS is again unknown. So now there are three unknowns, so one more equation is there. So that hidden equation we have to think. So that hidden equation can be easily found from this circuit. So this V out, in other words, simply this drain to source voltage. If this one is our drain in, get in, and source in. So we can write the by applying simple Kirchhoff's voltage law. Okay. So if we apply Kirchhoff's voltage law, so we can write VTD minus IDRD minus VDS equals to 0. Is it okay? So this one is the three equation 1, 2, 3. Now we have to find the VT. So there is some calculation part is there. So one can write this VDS is simply VDD minus IDRD. Okay. So now VDD is given 3 and minus IDRD. So okay, for the time being just leave it. At the end we will put the value. Okay. So now this one is equation number 3. Okay. So in the second equation, from equation 2, one can write instead of VDS we can write VDD minus IDRD equals to VGS minus VT. Okay. Now this one again in terms of ID VT. So now we can put the value. So VDD is 3 volt. Okay. And I am just writing IDRD and VGS is given 1 volt. Okay, 1 volt is given minus VT. So this one can be written as 3 minus 1, 2 plus VT, 2 plus VT equals to ID RD. Okay. Okay. So this one, so from this one, that equation we can find simply ID equals to 2 plus VT by RD. Say this one equation number 4. So now ID value is known to us, and now ID value if you put in the equation number 1, then we can easily find the VT, because now the only variable is VT. So just put the this ID value in equation number 1. So we can write 2 plus Vt by Rd equals to mu n Cox W by L by 2 VGS minus Vt whole square. Now again what we can write, 2 plus Vt equals to mu n Cox 2 W by L into Rd VGS minus Vt whole square. Okay, so now we can put the numerical value. Okay, mu1 Cox is given 100 micro, so write 10 to the power minus 6 by 2. W aspect ratio is given 10, so 10. Rd is 20 kilo ohm, so 20 into 10 to the power 3 VGS minus Vt whole square. We have to be very careful about this type of calculation. It is easy one, okay, but we have to take care. So 10. So again I am writing step by step. 2 plus Vt equals to, then 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it should be 10 times of VGS minus Vt whole square. Okay, or one can write VGS value is given, so 1 minus Vt whole square. So in general we can write 2 plus Vt equals to 10 and break this a minus b whole square. Okay, so 1 plus Vt square minus 2 Vt. Okay, so this one, then again we can write this as 10 plus 10 Vt square, 10 plus 10 Vt square, okay, minus 20 Vt. We have to be very careful here. Okay, so now we can solve like that, 10 Vt square minus 21 Vt. Okay, we are keeping this one in the right hand side, minus 21 Vt, then plus 8 equals to 0. Okay, so now then after there is a quadratic equation, so we have to just make it factor 10 into 80, so it should be simply 80. So 16 into 5, okay, so it should be 5 Vt minus 16 Vt plus 8 equals to 0. So we can write here, if we take 5 Vt common, so it should be 2 minus, sorry, 2 Vt. Okay, but it should be 2 Vt minus 1, then take 8 minus 8 common, then it should be 2 Vt minus 1 equals to 0. So the expression will be 2 Vt minus 1 and 5 Vt minus 8 equals to 0. So one value will be 2 Vt equals to 1. So Vt equals to 1 by 2 or 0.5 volt. Is it okay? And other one will be 5 Vt equals to 8. So Vt equals to 8 by 5. So it is greater than 1. Okay, so it is greater than 1. So this Vt is greater than 1. So it is not possible because VGS is given 1 volt. Okay, so our answer will be Vt will be 0.5 volt. So the threshold voltage for this equation will be 0.5 volt. So this is the simple question, but we have to go step by step for the calculation purpose. So this is all about the question, this question. So the threshold voltage in this case will be 0.5 volt, that is we have already calculated. So thank you for watching, and also please subscribe my channel.